In a dense forest, nestled among the roots of ancient oak trees, dwelt a humble chipmunk named Chip. Unlike his brethren, Chip had a peculiar habit. He would gather acorns not just for survival, but for those who fell behind. One day, the forest was hit by a relentless storm. The torrential rain flooded the burrows, sweeping away the precious acorns. Chip, however, found himself high upon a hill, safe from the storm's wrath. Seeing the devastation below, Chip felt a pang of guilt. He had the means to help, yet he was safe and secure. A dilemma tugged at his heartstrings. Should he remain in comfort or descend to aid those in need? Meditating on the matter, Chip realized that his actions were not just about survival, but about compassion. He decided to descend, braving the storm, to share his stores with those in need. Upon reaching the forest floor, Chip was met with a sight that moved his heart. His fellow creatures were shivering, cold, and hungry. With a determined spirit, he began distributing the acorns he had saved. One by one, the chipmunks gathered around Chip, grateful for his kindness. The storm raged on, but in the eyes of those he helped, Chip found a warmth that nothing else could provide. In the aftermath, the forest returned to its peaceful state. Chip, however, was forever changed. He understood that true wealth lay not in possessions, but in the ability to share and care for others. From that day forward, Chip became a beacon of hope in the forest. His actions served as a reminder that even the smallest of creatures could make a significant difference in the lives of others. And so, the story of Chip, the wise chipmunk, was passed down through generations, inspiring kindness and compassion in all who heard it.